So today I'm here to share with you the walkthrough of my new Christmas edition mini albums. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of my Christmas blank books, and so I have two sizes. I have the 8x7 that I have already shared with you, but I do have two more of these available, so I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough. And also I created a set of 8x8 on my red Christmas book, so I'll give you a look at that one here as well. So the 8x7 was available for pre-order, so all of those were already sent, and I did made a couple extras, so I have two left from that last batch. And so I'll just do a quick walkthrough here. So these are the 8x7. So the 8x7 comes with two added little features, which are these pop-up page here, and then these other piece that is just like a little booklet over here like that. And so those two come with this book, and this over here opens up. We have a pocket. All of these ones are pocket pages, so there is an option here to add more photo mats. This opens up and down. This one opens to both sides, and then here on the back this opens, and this is an upside down pocket. And then here we have an easel page, and again each one has a pocket, and then this one opens like this and opens up like that. Then over here we have this piece that opens to the side, and then this opens there as well. So we have 4 signature pages, and so this is the 8x7 book, and I do have 2 left on that. But then let me give you a look at the 8x8 books here. So for the 8x8 I made 10 of them, so I'm gonna have them list on the website here, so if you're interested I'll have the link below. But these also have 4 signature pages, and the book has a 3-inch spine just like the other one here as well. And let's take a look. So when you open this book, the first page here is a gatefold page, and all of these are also pocket pages. Over here this opens to the side and opens up like that. This next page here is a sliding page, so it opens like this. It slides to the side, and again you have the insert here at the center. Then this opens to the side, and then this is an accordion fold page. And over here this opens up and it opens down, and on the back we over here have these large twin pages. And on the back, this is an accordion fold here on the top, and then we have a pocket back here on the bottom. So these are the 8x8 books, and again I have just 10 available, so I'll have this listed on the website, and I'll have the link down below. And I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough, and I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.